Guys, I want to do a quick video about the latest firmware update for this, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This brings a huge update a lot of you guys have been asking for. It's finally here. So this is the latest version, 01.00.0300. It's about a 300 megabit file. Go and get this downloaded. You will need the latest DJI Fly app, whether you're using this, the RC controller, or the standard controller. Make sure you've got that installed before, and then you'll get the prompt to download this. And the biggest news what this brings is this now brings finally compatibility with the RC Pro controller. Now the RC Pro controller, a lot of people have been asking for compatibility with that because that controller does have advantages over this, the RC controller that comes with the Mini 3 Pro. It is for now only compatible with the Mavic 3 and the Air 2S. Finally, we now have it working with this guy, the Mini 3 Pro. So you will need the latest firmware update version on your RC Pro as well for it all to work. Now, unfortunately, as it stands right now today, I don't have an RC Pro. I did get rid of mine when I got this because I really am enjoying using this because it's such a lightweight controller. However, I do know the advantages to the RC Pro. The signal is awesome with those external antennas, the built-in apps on there, the screen's brighter. So I think I'm going to get another one. But for you guys who already have an RC Pro, this is like Christmas come early to you, I'm sure. I have heard and I've been asked so many times, when will compatibility come between the Mini 3 Pro and the RC Pro? Well, today you can got it. So if you've got an RC Pro, go and get this installed and go and have fun using this. And I'm really interested to see, is there an improvement in the performance with the signal, the reception on here? Is there any difference at all to warrant it? I know that screen's brighter by 300 nits, but it is interesting to see. Like I say, on this, I really do enjoy this. It's a really small drone and a really small and lightweight controller. I think both of them together just match perfectly. But the RC Pro is a fantastic controller, so I'm really happy this update is finally here. But this update also brings two other things as well. I have tested these. First one is to do with the panorama. So in panorama photos, in both horizontal and vertical, it's adjusted the tilt. So the tilt angle goes even higher now to get more of the sky. So I've tested these in 3 different panorama modes and it was worked excellent. Just as before, it works pretty good, but now it captures even more of the sky. So that's a great addition. And then hyperlapses, I've just done a video recently on hyperlapses, so check it out if you haven't seen that. Hyperlapses are fantastic on this drone, really good daytime and nighttime. They work in both horizontal and vertical, but now there's another update on that to make the process and the outcome of it even smoother. So it's got rid of any potential jerkiness in any of that outcome, so that's great. I have tested that on this quick video here. That seems good, but for me personally, it worked great before. But any additional improvements are always welcome. So this update has literally just dropped, so I have done a quick flight with this. Everything was great. I'm going to be testing it out over the next few days when I'm just flying the drone to see what it's like. But overall, from just testing this recently and testing the panorama hyperlapses, just seeing how it works in videos and photos, everything is spot on. So a great update for RC Pro owners for sure. It's a really good welcome addition. I think it was needed. And then I'm really interested to see, is it worth it now for that RC Pro? Because the price difference between this and the RC Pro is a significant price difference. So is it worth it? That's a question for another day. So hope you enjoy that. Go make sure you go on updates, have fun with it, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.